Well, hello, and welcome to Driving Tips with Claire.
Driving tips, bum 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 bum.
Today we are helping Cece Musamono, a young girl from Naples, Florida. She is taking her driver's test soon.
So I guess we should get this party on the road.
Always watch out for passengers.
All right, out of the way, Grandma!
At stop signs, make sure your car comes to a complete stop.
Oh!
Never go through a red light.
Are you purposely trying to make me late for work?
Make sure you put your seatbelt on.
That wrecks my outfit.
Watch out for bumpy roads.
Nice if you pave these things every 20 to 50 years because it's like Esteban up in here.
Never, under any circumstances, should you yell at the driving examiner.
You're not supposed to judge me. You're supposed to help me. What am I doing?
If you wish, bring a little token of home to calm you while you're taking the test.
No, you have to stop the test. I forgot my hula girl.
Get comfortable and relax.
Now that I can do. All right, guy, let's drive.
Make sure you look both ways.
Okay, so there's a cop that way and an ambulance that way. Should be safe.
Don't be afraid to overdress, because it always brightens my mood and brings confidence.
I mean, it's a simple question. Do I feel confident enough to go 100 on a 60 road with children? Am I wearing confidence today?
If you don't have enough money for a car, ask your parents to pay half of what the cost is.
Okay, I got about 5 cents in my pocket and you can pay the rest.
Relax and breathe deeply in tough situations.
I hate traffic!
Don't show on your face how nervous you are.
Fear is for wussies!
And don't sweat it.
No, it's too hot. I'm sweating. Why did I wear black? Every day I wear black and it's just like Florida.
You'll do great.
Look, Toots. Cece's a big girl now.